This is the final stage. Hello and welcome to the highlights of the final match of the Asia Cup 2025 played between arch rivals India and Pakistan in Dubai. Pitch looks quite dry, and as a lot of cracks will assist the spinners. Batting conditions will improve in the second innings. India's captain Suryakumar Yadav won the toss and decided to bowl first. Let's have a look at the playing 11 of both the sides. For Pakistan, Sayyam Ayub, Sahibzada Farhan and Fakhar Zaman in the top order. Bowling attack of Shaheen Afridi, Haris Rauf and Abrar Ahmed. The Indian team with 3 changes overall. They have a solid batting order with Abhishek Sharma, Sanju Samson, Shubman Gill and Tilak Verma in the side. Jasprit Bumrah will lead the bowling attack with Kuldeep Yadav and Varun Chakravarti. All to play for in this final contest to attain the Asian glory. Let's head straight to the action.
The two openers for Pakistan, Jasprit Bumrah is playing today, but it'll be Shivam Dube who will bowl the first over.
It's a big ask from Dube to just come and take a new ball, only playing with 2 seamers. Dube is one of those cricketers who can bat also, the length in the batting India. But big responsibility on his shoulder to bowl well with the new ball. Left hand, right hand combination up front from Pakistan, Fakhar Zaman and Sahibzada Farhan. Sahibzada Farhan is in very, very good nick. It's been in good nick for the last whole year. Shivam Dube will take a new ball. 40 games, 18 wickets, economy rate on the higher side. But it's a big pressure game. Bowling with the new ball for the first time, Shivam Dube.
So all set. So Shivam Dube will bowl the first ball. So Farhan and Fakhar Zaman opening. It'll be interesting to see the pace of this pitch. There's not much grass on the surface. The ball will come onto the bat when it's hard and new, but might just slow up after that. Oh, he gets hold of this. It's up in the air. And one bounce over the rope. So the first boundary of the final. Adjusted well there. Dube saw him coming. Bowled it a little shorter, but a boundary to end the over. Oh, this is a meaty blow, and it's gone the distance.
Over the top, nicely played. That's an important boundary. 6 done, power play finish, 45 for none. Hit that beautifully. He's dined out on that one. He's headed for 6. That's a great way to finish the over. 11 from it, 7 done, 56 for none.
Swings that away, deep over mid-wicket. 6 for Fakhar. It's hit away, backward a point. They should come back for 2. They will come back for 2. And a 5th T20 half-century for Sahibzada Farhan. His 2nd against India, and at a very important time. Gone up, and it's gone long, and long enough. 6 more. Out, straight to deep mid-wicket. Tilak Varma, I think it is, out there at deep mid-wicket, and Varun Chakravarti has got India's first, and boy, do they need that.
You can see that nodded shot and bounce a little bit more as well. Didn't quite middle it. Farhan, yes, he understandably is upset with himself. He was batting so well. Pakistan would have wanted him to carry on. Gone for 57, 84 for 1 in the 10th over.
And it'll be time for drinks as well. And Saim Ayub pulls this one. There is a man in the deep, can't get around and can't save the 4 either.
Carried and taken. Kuldeep gets the wicket.
Let's have a look in the replay. It was a quicker delivery. And then, like I said, it went up in the air, and a very good catch by Jasprit Bumrah at back foot point. A very important breakthrough for India at this stage of the game. We're into 13th over. Kuldeep gets his first wicket, and Saim Ayub departs for 14. Pakistan 113 for 2.
Looks a good shot, but the fielder has come around and he'll take the catch. Akshar Patel has struck for India. Rinku Singh takes the catch.
The ball didn't turn and went straight to mid-off. And good catch by Rinku Singh, easy as you like. And Pakistan under pressure now, absolutely under pressure. Third wicket gone for Pakistan. Haris goes for 2 runs, in fact, without scoring any. 114 for 3.
It's gone again. Might just go all the way. Too high and too long for Shubman Gill. Great strike from Fakhar Zaman under pressure. Slice it and taken. Fakhar Zaman is gone. Varun Chakravarti, the man, pushed it a little wider.
But a delivery outside off stump, outside his reach. He played that shot, got the top edge, and a very simple catch. Kuldeep Yadav took the catch. They got a very important wicket of informed batter, Fakhar Zaman. Gone for 46. Pakistan now little under pressure. 126 for 4.
But this is a wicket. Sanju Samson has called it. Another wicket has fallen here. Akshar Patel has got his second. And suddenly Pakistan losing their way.
Let's have a look. Slow delivery, not turning. He made his mind before the ball delivered. Are gonna go slog sweep, and beautifully bowled. Good variation, slow the pace, top edge, easy catch. Second wicket for Akshar, and Pakistan again under pressure now. Hussain Talla departs for 1, 131 for 5.
The 11 other probably. Sanju Samson has called everyone else off it. He wants it. It's gone high and he takes it.
Beautiful bowling. Ball gripping a little bit, and then with the open pace of the blade, hitting straight up in for Samson to do the rest of the job. Pakistan tumbling. Pakistan all over the place. Aga gone for 8. Pakistan losing his 6th wicket for 133.
That one's close. Well, there's an appeal there. Kuldeep's interested here. This was the wrong one as well. It was straighter. Is it doing enough just to clip that leg stump? This one has been given not out. Could try again. They do. They do. Over to the television umpire.
Keep it rolling through. Keep it rolling through. Ball is below the bat. Yes, satisfied. No bat ignored. Go to ball tracker when ready, please. Go to ball tracker when ready, please. Ball tracker is coming. Original decision is not out. Picking outside off. Impact in line. Wicket is hitting. Go back to on-field umpire Mukul, please. Mukul, you need to change your original decision of not out to out. Stand by. You are on camera, make a signal.
Well, he had 4 wild swings, did Shaheen. None of them connected, and now he is out. LBW and Kuldeep's bag 2 in his last over. Shaheen Afridi gone without scoring. Pakistan in further trouble at 134 for 7.
Another one. There we go. Tilak Verma is the man at mid-off. And what an over. 3rd wicket in this over.
Slow, it's looped up. Fahim thinks I'll have some of that, but it's straight to Tilak Verma. Down at long off. He is one of the best in the Indian side and holds on to it comfortably. They've crumbled from 113 for 1 to 134 for 8. Haris Rauf gets his innings underway with a cultured edge down to 3rd for 4. Oh, it's not going to happen. Waqar nails the Yorker.
7 of the over, and look what Bumrah did. He's master of bowling those Yorkers. Another one bites the dust. Pakistan losing their 9th wicket. Haris gone for 6. It's 141 for 9.
Hits it high, hard, straight out to deep mid-wicket. And taken. Rinku Singh with the catch. Pakistan bowled out. They've gone from 113 for 1 to 146 all out in no time.
.33 for 9. Pakistan, they were going well. They started really well, but full marks to this Indian team and the skipper.
On the Pakistan fans' faces, they had high expectations after the start from Saibzada Farhan with his 57 and Fakhar Zaman with 46 off 35, who played well. Apart from that 14 from Saim Ayub, the rest is a telephone number. Nothing for Shivam Dubey, but he did a good job opening up with the new ball. Bumrah with a couple, Varun Chakravarti with 2, Akshar Patel with 2, and Kuldeep with 4. But look at the bottom line. 84, 113, and then an absolute procession of wickets for Pakistan to be bundled out for 146 in 19.1 overs. The DP World Asia Cup final on the line. India won the toss, sent Pakistan into bat, and that is the task in front of this powerful Indian side. 147 runs needed to take the title from their 20 overs.
There's the 280 batsmen, Gill and Abhishek. They're the two men that are going to be taking guard against Shaheen Shah Afridi right at the top.
It'll be interesting to see what the first ball is going to be this time around from Shaheen Shah Afridi. 197.66 the strike rate. Mind-blowing.
That's astonishing, really is. He's got someone at the other end who hasn't got too many runs so far, but he's a wonderful player, we know that. 142 is his strike rate. And cricketer too, Shubman Gill, of course the Red Bull captain, but he's the man that's going to have to try and set a serious tone. Afridi versus Abhishek. Playing, missing, advancing, going down the track, looking to go back over his head, first ball. To the bat pretty hard, but it's hit the bat beautifully, and that's gone for 4 straight away. Exquisite timing.
But there you are. No risk taken, but playing really well.
Now he's had to drag that, a bit of a slower delivery. Out, wicket, first up. For him, Ashraf has struck. That's That's what they wanted. They've got Abhishek eventually. That is massive.
And not surprising, really. Not surprising. Seeing the way he batted that first over, he was always going to be taking that big risk. And like I kept saying, do not open the door. Just get off to a solid start. You don't have to get off to a 50 runs in the 6 overs kind of start. Look at that. Simple catch. And the big man, the man that they are worried about, he goes. Abhishek Sharma has gone for 5, 7 for 1.
The captain, Shirikumar Yadav, in at number 3. In the air. Out. Out. Now it's out. Couple of juggles. Captain's taken that. Skipper for Pakistan is happy. Skipper for India has gone nowhere.
Yes, keep it rolling through frame by frame. Yes. Yes, fingers are underneath the ball. Ball carried to the hands. I have a decision to the giant screen.
Out it is. Big wicket that. Massive wicket. 2 massive wickets for Pakistan.
Yes, India is taking it casually. India thinks that 147 is no score.
Oh, it's a nice shot. It's a lovely shot. Really nicely played. That is real talent from Gill. He wants more. He's gone over the top. No, he's out. Good catch from Haris Rauf. He's got his second now. That is another big wicket. Pakistan will be delighted with the start they've had here, and their spectators are right behind them.
They're throwing it away. India are just throwing this match away. That is all one can say. You've just hit a boundary. You've got 8 runs from the over, and yet you go out and play this kind of a shot. India are throwing this match away. 20 for 3. Gill gone for 12. 4 overs bowled. Slower delivery. And look what happens. Very good catch. Timing is jumped to perfection. Haris Rauf, Fahim Ashraf getting another wicket. And in the power play, 2 more overs of the power play, India have lost their 3 wickets.
Goes for a dozen. 20 for 3.
Sweet. Very sweet from Sanju Samson. Just easing it into it. Again, nicely timed. Ball racing away to the boundaries. He's picked that beautifully for 6. What a shot that is, just stirring in line. And Tilak Verma onto it in a flash. So a boundary and now 6. Swept and swept well. Splits the field. Oh, nicely put away. He's got fast hands. Sanju Samson generates a lot of bat speed.
Hasn't timed it. There's a chance here. Dropped it. Reach with both hands. Frighted ball. And his flat batted that could be a 6. And that's a terrific shot. It's gone for the big one. And enough bat on that one to take it all the way.
Might be now, top edge from Sanju Samson. Abrar has got one. Partnership broken.
Excellent bowling. A little bit slow in pace. Allowed or gave the ball a chance to spin. Ball landed on the seam and look how the ball spun. Comfortable catch. Sabzada Ibrahim. Farhan, I beg your pardon. And Pakistan desperately needed a wicket and they got Sanju Samson back in the heart for 24. It's 77 for 4.
Hit hard. Pace on, and 4 for Shivam Dubey.
Another boundary. Beautiful shot. Slow delivery, but 2-4. Excellent shot.
Swung away and all the way for 6. Terrific over from India's point of view. 17 coming from it, the 100 up with 5 to go. And that is sailing over deep mid-wicket. Just compounding the problems now for Pakistan.
Just playing around with the bowler, and that's Tilak Verma's 50. What a wonderful knock in a circumstance here, tough conditions. 111 for 4.
It's a low full toss. It's been belted, and it's been belted for 6. That's a great shot. It's exactly what they're waiting for. Something loose, and it's disappeared. Oh, he's hit that pretty well. That's a really good shot. Yeah, that's great. That's a really good shot indeed. Wide of the man long on. Had to go and fetch that one. Short delivery. Hit it strong. Flat for 4. 1 bounce. Hard down the ground. Should be taken. Afridi's there. Takes the catch. Important wickets. Dubey's played superbly. Now he's gone. Pakistan are celebrating. That is big. Ideal time right now to get that wicket.
Perfect time. A good finish of the last ball. It was a good over till then. Yes, again, rolling his fingers back of a length. Couldn't reach or time that one. Comfortably taken on the boundaries. A tall man takes the catch. And an important partnership being broken. This is still anybody's game with 10 needed from 6. It's 137 for 5.
Worked that nicely. And it's gone for 6. What a shot that is.
Brilliant under pressure. Tilak Verma. What a temperament. To pull off shots like this in a huge game, a pressure game, and do it so calmly, so composed. This is magnificent. It's come right out of the screws, and he's picked the bones out of that one as he smashes it into the crowd. There's Gautam Gambhir. He knows the importance of that hit. What it does, it's just 2 needed now for India. Down the ground, the score's tied, and just 1 needed from 3 with Rinku Singh on strike. And bang! It's over. It's India who win the Asia Cup. For the 9th time, it's been a thrilling final. Rinku Singh, first game of the tournament, 1 ball he plays, puts it away to the boundary. And a huge sigh of relief in that dugout. And have a look at Tilak Verma. He's a national hero with this kind of effort.
India, magnificent work and winning the Asia Cup 2025. Congratulations to India. Let's look at the match summary. Pakistan batting first, been asked to bat first after India won the toss. 146 they got. They were going beautifully at one stage. They were 113 for 1. They lost their last 9 wickets for 33 runs. Kuldeep was outstanding, picked up 3 wickets in his last over as well. Bumrah picked up a couple at the right time. Axer, we heard from now, also picked up a couple. An Indian reply, 150 for 5, and got home with 2 balls to spare with Tilak 69 not out of 53, the top scorer, and Fahim 3 for 29. So congratulations to India. They are the champions, of course. They'll be delighted with this victory, winning the Asia Cup.